For this, we need half a cup water, 3/4 cup plain flour. Mix it. 2 eggs. Mix it again. Now squeeze half a lemon. Mix again. Now add few masala and salt. So first salt, according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon my mixed masala, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon curry powder. Mix it again. Now some basil, some thyme, and 5 spices or Chinese 5 spices. Mix it again. For 1 chopped onion with a little bit coriander. Now finely chop carrot, 2 carrots. Now chop half a pepper, red pepper, and chop half orange or yellow pepper. Now half a big size courgette or zucchini, half of the zucchini or courgette. So I peel it first, like that. And now finely chopped courgette or zucchini, okay? And last, some coriander again. Now mix it again. Our mixture is ready. Grease your cupcake tray with a little bit oil. And once it's greased, just scoopful or spoonful into that and press it. So this is my 1 tray of vegetable cakes, a healthy way. And now I'm gonna make another tray a little bit different. So for the second batch, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons oil. This is a little bit unhealthy way. Mix it. And now oil this tray as well. And the same thing. Same way. And now I will place this in oven, preheat oven for 20 minutes, gas mark 180. Now, after 30 minutes, I take it out from oven. Just dish it out. Look how beautiful my vegetable cake is ready. And all my vegetable cakes are ready, and it's very healthy recipe. It's good for losing weight as well. And now it's time to try one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. is so yummy.